Zona AI Music is an advanced artificial intelligence-powered music creation app designed for musicians, content creators, and hobbyists seeking to produce tracks quickly and efficiently without extensive technical knowledge. The platform provides a wide array of tools for composing melodies, beats, harmonies, and full arrangements using AI algorithms that intelligently adapt to user input, offering automated suggestions, accompaniment, and stylistic enhancements. Users praise Zona AI Music for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, which allows even beginners to create professional-sounding compositions, and for the ability to export high-quality audio in multiple formats suitable for social media, streaming platforms, or personal projects. Independent reviews highlight the app's potential to significantly accelerate music production, enabling experimentation with genres and styles that may otherwise require extensive skill or studio time. On the other hand, some users report that AI-generated tracks can occasionally lack originality, producing repetitive or generic sequences, which may necessitate manual adjustments for uniqueness and artistic refinement. Additionally, advanced features such as high-fidelity mastering, extended instrument libraries, and customizable sound effects are available only through premium subscriptions, while offline functionality is limited, requiring an active internet connection for most processes. Despite these considerations, Zona AI Music consistently demonstrates reliability, creative flexibility, and practical efficiency for digital music production. Verdict: Zona AI Music offers a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly platform for AI-assisted music creation, providing substantial value for beginners and experienced creators alike, while users should consider premium limitations and potential need for manual refinements to ensure originality in their final tracks.